Planet Defenders to the rescue.
Japan and the islands are famous for their coral reef. Iso, Mitsuko, and Sorino love snorkeling there.
Wow, that was amazing!
I saw Tantan sunrise down there, and the coral was beautiful. A tanker is traveling nearby. It's carrying oil to the towers on the island.
Captain, I think there is a problem with the engine. It's impossible. This is the most small tanker in the world.
A few minutes later,
We are very near the reef, Captain. We need to change direction. Oh no! It's the lake now.
the tanker is on the rock. They have a hole in each side and the oil is coming out.
Then I'm going to help the Coast Guard. Stay here, Jimmy.
We need to do something now.
The children transformed into Planet Defenders. When they work together, they can do incredible things.
Air, water, and ice.
Unite!
The Planet Defenders fly to the tanker. Things don't look good.
Oh no! Oh no! The oil is floating towards the reef. It mustn't get to the reef. Millions of fish live there.
The reef keeps the ocean clean. We must work quickly.
First, Isaac uses his powers to fish the oil.
It's Serana's turn to help. She uses her power to blow away from the reef.
But look, some of the oil is floating towards the reef.
But there's still some oil in the water. What can we do to clean it up?
I have an idea.
Mitsuko uses her power to pick up the oil and puts into the ship.
It isn't any oil in the water now.
The reef and fish are safe. Well done, Mitsuko.
The coast guards pull the tank, and Iso, Mitsuko, and Soranus return to the beach. They're just in time.
Hey, did you saw the Planet Defenders?
No, what's happening?
They cleaned up all the oil in the sea.
Wow!